we are going to study fourth chapter. Fourth chapter I have made especially for spoken English, and that chapter name is number, वचन. There are two types of number. वचन दो प्रकार के होते हैं. सिंगुलर नंबर एक वचन, प्लूरल नंबर बहुवचन. Now I'm trying to make you understand about singular number, एक वचन. When a noun indicates only one person is called singular number. In other words, you can say only and only one, that is called singular number. संज्ञा के जिस रूप में एक ही वस्तु का बोध होता है उसे एक वचन कहते हैं. एग्जाम्पल I, you, he, she, it, this, that, name. In the sentence I can say, I'm here, I was there, I have a bat, I play cricket. So these all are the singular forms. Second is a plural number, bahuvachan. When a noun indicates more than one person is called plural number. In other words, more than one is called प्लूरल नंबर. संज्ञा के जिस रूप में एक से अधिक वस्तु का बोध होता है उसे बहुवचन कहते हैं. एग्जाम्पल वी, यू, दे, दोज, दीज. In the other form of Hindi, I can make you understand. When we say I means my हिंदी में, you means तुम, he वह, she वह, it यह, this यह, that वह, name any name. These all are the singular number. In the plural number, I can say we हम लोग, you तुम लोग, they वे लोग, those वो लोग, these ये लोग. Friends, I'd like to make you understand with the chart of person and number. When you will draw these charts in the different forms, you will understand the real form of spoken English. So I have classified into the different form of chart, which is already given in your workshop manual book. This workshop manual book will make you enabled to become good speaker of English with your practice of writing. So chart is divided into two forms. One is singular number, other is plural number. And in the person form, it has divided into three forms. First person, second person, third person. So according to this chart, in singular number, there are 8 types of person. I, you, your, he, she, it, this, that. These all are the singular number. The second part is of plural number. In plural number there are 5. We, you, they, those, these. These all are the plural form of this chart. So in the singular number there are 8 kinds of person. In plural number there are 5 kinds of person. So what we can say? All over there are 13 kinds of person. In the future we study the elaborated form of these 13 kinds. For example, instead of I, we use me. Instead of we, you use us. This is the form. But one thing you need to understand to become a good speaker of English, you need to understand there are only 13 kinds of person in the world. Now, when we are talking about you and your, so there are 2 you and your. The pronunciation of you and your are same, but it applies according to their singular form and plural form. Because as the form of this book, from initially way, I'm trying to make you understand into English to Hindi, Hindi to English. So just I'm trying to make you understand, in the whole of the world, in each and every languages, there are only 13 kinds of person. I, we, you, your, he, she, it, this, that, name, they, those, these. These all are the parts of person and number. Friends, now we are going to on the 5th chapter, that is sentence. Sentence को हिंदी में वाक्य कहते हैं. Now, what is sentence? वाक्य क्या है? A combination of words which give complete meaning or meaningful sense is called sentence. शब्दों का ऐसा समूह जिससे पूर्ण और सार्थक अर्थ की अभिव्यक्ति होती है उसे वाक्य कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सीता इज अ ब्यूटिफुल गर्ल. राम प्लेज इन द ग्राउंड. These all are the complete sentence. So when the complete sentence says, you listen, you understand the meaning of sentence. There are 7 parts of sentences. वाक्य 7 प्रकार के होते हैं. फर्स्ट, affirmative or assertive. Second, negative sentence. Third, interrogative sentence. Fourth, interrogative and negative sentence. Fifth, WH or double interrogative sentence. Sixth, WH or double interrogative negative sentence. Seventh, exclamatory sentence. Now I am going to elaborate from the first to 7th. What is affirmative? In Hindi, we say सकारात्मक वाक्य, simple sentence. Second, negative sentence, no or not. We say in Hindi नकारात्मक वाक्य. Third, interrogative sentence, questions mark, प्रश्नवाचक. Fourth, interrogative and negative sentence, along with questions mark, no or not, प्रश्नवाचक और नकारात्मक वाक्य. WH. The meaning of WH is what, when, where, how, whom. These all are the words of WH family, or we say double interrogative sentence. Sixth is WH, interrogative negative. In these sentences, you will find along with WH questions mark or not or no. Exclamatory sentence. It shows sudden feeling, or with the help of exclamation sign we can indicate exclamatory sentence. Generally in the world, in each and every languages, there are 7 kinds of vakya. But on the normal way, we do the practice of 6 parts of sentences. We are going to do in the future of all related chapter of our workshop Spoken English on the base of this. Now I'm telling you in the chart form. First is affirmative sentence. I am happy. मैं खुश हूँ. Second is negative sentence. I am not happy. मैं खुश नहीं हूँ. Interrogative sentence. Am I happy? क्या मैं खुश हूँ? Fourth is interrogative negative sentence. Am I not happy? क्या मैं खुश नहीं हूँ? Fifth is WH interrogative. How am I happy? मैं कैसे खुश हूँ? Sixth is WH interrogative negative. How am I not happy? मैं कैसे खुश नहीं हूँ? Seventh is the exclamatory. I'm happy. राम won the match. Oh, मैं खुश हूं. These all are the forms of sentences. In the future, we are going to do the unique and creative with the practical, with the workshop manual book. These practices will allow you to become native speaker of English or fluent speaker of English. Friends, now we are going to start the next chapter, that is tense. Tense को हिंदी में काल कहते हैं. What is tense? काल क्या है? Answer: whatever time take to do any action or work is called tense. काम को करने में जो समय लगता है उसे काल कहते हैं. और time take to do any work is called tense. A word which indicate particular time at which the action took place. There are 3 parts of tense. काल के 3 प्रकार होते हैं. Present tense, वर्तमान काल. Past tense, भूतकाल. Future tense, भविष्य काल. Now, I'm going to talk about the first part, that is present tense. वर्तमान काल. In this part, we study about work finish. In the present time is called present tense. और इस भाग में हम लोग पढ़ते हैं कि काम वर्तमान काल में समाप्त होता है. आइडेंटिफिकेशन, पहचान. है, हूं, हो, etc. एक चीज आपको समझना चाहिए, प्रेजेंट टेंस का इंडिकेशन हो होता है. पहचान का अर्थ ये होता है आउट ऑफ 100%, 90%, 95%, some of the sentence would be related with this. प्रेजेंट टेंस के 4 पार्ट्स होते हैं. There are 4 parts of present tense. Present simple or indefinite tense, first. Present continuous tense, second. Present perfect tense, third. Present perfect continuous tense, fourth. Present simple or indefinite tense. I go to school. मैं स्कूल जाता हूं. Present continuous tense. I am going to school. मैं स्कूल जा रहा हूं. Present perfect tense. I have gone to school. मैं स्कूल जा चुका हूं. Present perfect continuous tense. I have been going to school for 2 hours. मैं स्कूल 2 घंटे से जा रहा हूं. I'd like to make you understand that there are 4 parts of present tense. Second is past tense, bhutkaal. In this part, we study about work finished in past time is called past tense. इस भाग में हम लोग बीते हुए काम और समय के बारे में पढ़ते हैं. आइडेंटिफिकेशन, पहचान. था, थे, थी, था. You need to understand in Hindi that past tense के लास्ट में थॉ लगा रहता है. आइडेंटिफिकेशन का अर्थ ये होता है, ये आपको समझने में हेल्प करता है कि यह कौन सा काल है. जिस तरह से प्रेजेंट टेंस के 4 पार्ट होते हैं, सिमिलरली पास्ट टेंस के भी 4 पार्ट्स होते हैं. देयर आर 4 पार्ट्स ऑफ पास्ट टेंस. पास्ट सिंपल और इंडेफिनिट टेंस, पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस, पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस, पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. I'm giving you in the chart wise as an example of past simple. I went to school. मैं स्कूल जाता था और मैं स्कूल गया. Past continuous tense. I was going to school. मैं स्कूल जा रहा था. Past perfect tense. I have gone to school. मैं स्कूल जा चुका था. Past perfect continuous tense. I had been going to school for 2 hours. मैं 2 घंटे से स्कूल जा रहा था. Friends, we need to understand the present first, then past first. Now, for example, we are talking about today. So, today is the present tense, and yesterday was past tense. Now, we are talking about the third part of tense, that is future tense, Bhavishyakal. In this part, we study about work well finished in future time is called future tense. इस भाग में हम लोग होने वाले काम और समय के बारे में पढ़ते हैं. आइडेंटिफिकेशंस, पहचान, ग, गा, गे, गी, etc. As present tense has 4 parts, past tense has 4 parts. Similarly, future tense also has 4 parts. First, future simple or indefinite tense. Second, future continuous or imperfect tense. Third, future perfect tense. Fourth, future perfect continuous tense. Now, I am giving you a simple example of future simple or indefinite tense. I shall go to school. मैं स्कूल जाऊंगा. Future continuous tense. I shall be going to school. मैं स्कूल जा रहा हूंगा. Future perfect tense. I shall have gone to school. मैं स्कूल जा चुका हूंगा. Future perfect continuous tense. I shall have been going to school for 2 hours. मैं 2 घंटे से स्कूल जा रहा हूंगा. Friends, now you need to understand, I am not going to make you a more deep through the grammar, as I have given you the lesson for these all 6 chapters.